Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So on this video I will be showing you how I use my makeup eraser towel, and since a lot of people asked me to do this video, so here is my video on it. If you want to learn how to use it or know a review about it, keep on watching and I'll teach you. Okay, so after a long day of work, as you can see in the title, I will be using my makeup eraser towel. A lot of people said to do this video so they can see how I do it. And one side it's an exfoliator and the other one is the side to remove your makeup. And then one side is like soft or something like that. And the other side is more rough. I wouldn't know how to explain to you guys that part, but when you buy it, read the box and it'll tell you what side is what. Like you guys can see, this side is more of like hair stuff, and then this side, see the difference? It's like more of a towel. So I grabbed a bowl with hot water in it, and I'm just going to go ahead and dip my towel into it. I just didn't feel like walking to the bathroom and record ourselves. Now you would feel like the towel is dry and it doesn't get the water into it, but it actually gets wet. So that's a tip for you guys. And then I'm just gonna remove the excess water. And I'm just gonna start removing my makeup. So you can use it like this. This is to actually hand it like this, and then just go over your face. And I just start rubbing it off. See how it removes the makeup? And you can see the makeup on the towel. And as you can see, it removes all your makeup. I mean, if you really used a good eyeshadow, look at that. It stained me, like literally. It stood on. Gosh, I hope my scrubber works to remove that. And then glitters, they're really hard to take off. But I think we all go through that struggle of removing glitter off of our face. The good thing about this towel is you can use it up to 1,000 times, and it's rewashable. So who doesn't want a rewashable towel? And you don't have to worry about keep on purchasing wipes. You know, it saves money when you use this. So let me show you guys how it looks with all the makeup removed. See all that? All that? Yes, and then some on the other side. So definitely you can use one side to remove something, and if you feel like it's not removing too much, I just re-wet it and then just go over the face with it again, making sure that I removed a lot of products. So if I still haven't, you'll see it on the towel when it's warm. if you left something behind. And then it leaves your skin soft. So here's my review on it, since a lot of people asked me about it and how do I use it. I just wet it with warm water and then just start removing your makeup, and you save money on wipes. Who does not want to save money on wipes? Because you'll be spending too much money with wipes. And this is just $20, and you find it at Sephora, which is awesome. So hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it interesting. If not, oh well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. See you on my next video.